Have you ever woken up, rubbed your eyes, and wondered, why is everything so blurry? The numbers on the clock are fuzzy, the sunlight stings, and for those first few minutes of the day, it feels like your vision hasn't quite woken up with the rest of your body. This happens to many people over 60, and you might think it's just aging. You'd be wrong. That is actually a cry for help from your eyes, because they've been starving for the last 8 hours. And here's the good news. You can fix blurry eyes naturally without any drugs, eye drops, or complicated procedures. Tonight, we're going to reverse that, just with 3 foods right in your kitchen. If this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome. I'm Dr. Sterling. After over 30 years of working with seniors, I've seen how small changes, especially before bed, can lead to big improvements in how your eyes feel when you wake up. If you care about your health and are tired of being told blurry eyes are just part of getting old, you've found the right place. Stay with me and don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss the simple, practical senior health tips I share every week to help your body heal and maintain vitality after 60. Now, let's take a close look at the first food on our list, the one that gets things moving while you sleep. First up, you might chuckle, but it's prunes. Now wait, don't just think of them as a snack for digestion. For your eyes, especially as part of a senior eye care routine, they can do so much more than you think. You see, your eyes rely on a delicate web of tiny blood vessels called capillaries to carry oxygen and nutrients to the retina. The retina is where the magic of sight begins. It's that thin, light-sensitive tissue that turns light into signals your brain can understand. And just like any living tissue, it can't repair itself or work right without a steady blood supply. The trouble is, as we age, those capillaries get narrower, stiffer, and less efficient. Conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, common as we get older, make it even worse. So even if you're eating the best food for eyesight, those nutrients might never actually reach your eyes. Think of it like trying to water your garden with a kinked hose. The water is there, but it can't get out. This is where prunes act as a powerful blurry vision remedy. They do something surprisingly effective. They help keep your blood vessels flexible, especially those tiny capillaries behind your eyes. That's vital, because when vessels stiffen with age, circulation slows down. The nutrients you eat, like lutein, vitamin A, or antioxidants, can't reach the retina where they're needed most. It's like wanting to send a delivery truck to a house, but the road is blocked. Prunes help clear that path. They are rich in vitamin K1, a nutrient that supports capillary health and keeps small vessels clear. In fact, researchers in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging found that seniors who consume more vitamin K1 have better blood flow to sensitive tissues, including the eyes. But the benefits for natural eye health don't stop there. Prunes are also full of potassium, which is crucial for your eyes. Why? Because while you sleep, the pressure inside your eyes can naturally rise. For people over 60, that pressure sometimes stays higher than it should. That's what causes that puffy feeling, or why your eyes feel foggy in the morning. Potassium helps regulate that pressure. It keeps the fluid balance inside the eye stable and protects the optic nerve from long-term damage. A 2019 study published in Ophthalmic Research showed that seniors with higher potassium intake have a lower risk of eye pressure issues, a key factor to prevent cataracts and age-related vision loss. And there's one more bonus most people miss. Prunes also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, the same antioxidants found in leafy greens. These pigments accumulate in the macula, the center of your retina, and act like internal sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and supporting sharper vision in low light. So when you eat prunes, you're not just helping nutrients get where they need to go. You're providing senior eye protection for the most sensitive parts of your vision. I had a 74-year-old patient who tried eating 2 prunes before bed for 3 weeks. He told me, "Doc, the fog is gone. I wake up and see everything clear." That's not a miracle. It's just getting the circulation working again. If you want to try this blurry eyes treatment yourself, it's simple. Look for unsweetened, unsulfured prunes with no added sugar or preservatives. Eat 1 or 2 about 45 minutes to an hour before bed. You can eat them plain or chop them into some plain Greek yogurt if you like a creamy snack. Prunes also have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar. In fact, they help stabilize it overnight. This is more important than many realize, as blood sugar swings can temporarily warp the shape of your eye lens, leading to blurry vision in the morning. So from now on, don't just think of prunes for digestion. Think of them as the first step to restore eyesight, rehydrate, and wake up with clarity. Now that the blood highway is clear thanks to the prunes, your eyes can finally get the nutrients they need. But there's a new challenge. How do we protect those nutrients and the delicate cells in the retina while you're asleep? The truth is, your eyes never really rest at night. Even when your lids are closed, your retina is busy repairing, processing light signals, and rebuilding vital proteins like rhodopsin, the protein that helps you see in the dark. This activity creates oxidative stress, tiny bits of wear and tear that build up overnight. If left unchecked, it can lead to the early breakdown of retinal cells, damage the optic nerve, and accelerate age-related macular degeneration. So, we need a shield, something that silently guards your eyes while you sleep. That shield is pistachios. They may be small, but they are one of the best nuts for senior eye protection. Here's why. Pistachios are very rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that moves into the fatty membranes of eye cells, especially the rods and cones that sense light. There, it helps neutralize oxidative stress before it can do harm. This simple nutrient has been proven to help slow the rate of macular degeneration in seniors, especially when it comes from whole foods like nuts. But that's just one layer of defense. Pistachios also contain two rare pigments that the retina absolutely loves: lutein and zeaxanthin. They settle in the macula and act as natural filters, blocking harmful blue light and reducing glare, especially at night or under artificial lights. And if you have trouble falling asleep, pistachios offer another surprise benefit. They are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to rest. In fact, researchers at Nutrition Neuroscience found that pistachios contain more melatonin per gram than most other plant foods. This means they don't just protect your eyes, they help your whole body relax, giving your eyes the deep, uninterrupted rest they need for clear vision naturally. They are also a great source of magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which support the optic nerve and help regulate tear production overnight. I have a patient named Linda, 68. She told me, "My eyes are always dry in the morning, and night driving is a nightmare. The glare from the lights is unbearable." We added 6 pistachios to her bedtime routine, just 30 minutes before sleep. 2 weeks later, she said, "My eyes don't feel like they have sand in them anymore. Last night, I drove home from my book club without having to squint." Simple, natural, and effective. If you want to try this to improve eyesight naturally, look for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted pistachios. Eat 5 to 7 about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. If you find nuts hard to digest at night, try them with a small spoonful of plain yogurt or a few slices of kiwi for extra vitamin C and hydration. Avoid eating them with salty snacks or caffeine before bed, as that can cancel out the relaxation benefits. So now we have our second layer. Prunes open the path. Pistachios guard that path. Your retina is protected, your optic nerve is supported, and your body gets a gentle signal. It's time to rest, repair, and reset. Up to now, we've cleared the road with prunes and added protection with pistachios. Now it's time for the final piece, the structural rebuild. Because protection alone isn't enough. Your eyes don't just need to be shielded from damage, they need to be repaired cell by cell, layer by layer, while you sleep. To do that, the body needs raw materials, nutrients that repair cell membranes, hydrate tissues, and rebuild the structures that keep your eyes clear, moist, and sharp. That is where chia seeds come in. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Inside that shell is the planet's richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, ALA. Now, let's get into the real science. Your retina is the most fat-dense tissue in your body. Your photoreceptors need omega-3s to keep their cell membranes flexible. When you take in ALA from chia seeds in the evening, your body starts the conversion process, sending those lipid molecules directly to patch up the gaps in your retinal cell membranes. This isn't speculation. It's the molecular biology that helps restore 20/20 vision sensitivity for the next morning. But the real benefit my patients over 60 love most is the ability to fix blurry eyes naturally by stopping dry eye at the root. Do you know why eye drops often fail? Because they only treat the surface. Chia seeds do something completely different. When soaked in water, they create a mucilage gel. This gel not only helps stabilize blood sugar overnight, which otherwise warps the eye lens if it fluctuates, but more importantly, it supports the meibomian glands in your eyelids to produce the lipid layer of your tear film. The result? Your tears don't evaporate too quickly while you sleep. You'll wake up with hydrated, soothing eyes instead of that gritty sandpaper feeling. Look at the case of Mr. Alvarez, a 71-year-old patient who was desperate with chronic dry eyes. He used to wake up at 3 a.m. just to put in drops. I told him, stop overusing chemicals. Use chia seeds. He started eating a portion of chia gel mixed with cinnamon an hour before bed. After just 14 days, he called me and said, "Doctor, for the first time in years, I don't have to go looking for my eye drops the moment I open my eyes. My vision is so sharp, I can read the newspaper without turning on every light in the room." Let me show you how to do this right, because the method is 90% of the effectiveness. Do not eat dry chia seeds. They will suck water from your body and have the opposite effect. Instead, take exactly 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and soak them in about 4 ounces, 100 milliliters of water or unsweetened almond milk. Let them sit for 20 minutes until they turn completely into a gel. This is the state where your digestive enzymes can easily break the chemical bonds to release omega-3s into your bloodstream as fast as possible. You can add a dash of cinnamon to boost intraocular blood circulation. Remember, your eyes aren't just aging, they are starving for nutrients. When you provide the right materials at the right time, right before the nighttime repair cycle begins, you are giving yourself the chance to restore vision after 60. Prunes open the path, pistachios protect, and chia seeds are the silent builders rebuilding your vision. Don't wait for another blurry day. Start tonight. Prunes open the path, pistachios guard the path, and chia seeds help restore what was lost. It's not a miracle, it's nutrition, it's timing, and it's giving your body what it needs when it needs it most. By now, you've seen how each of these foods works in its own way. Prunes help nutrients reach the eye, pistachios guard the retina all night, and chia seeds give the body what it needs to build and repair. But here is the real magic. They work better together. This isn't just a snack. It's a simple ritual that soothes and tells your body, it's time to rest. It's time to heal. And this takes less than 5 minutes to do. Here's how I recommend you put this into practice. After dinner, in a quiet moment before bed, take a small plate and add 2 prunes. Next to them, place about 5 or 6 pistachios, unsalted and raw if possible. Then, prepare your small portion of soaked chia seeds. If you soaked them earlier in the day, they're ready. If not, just mix a tablespoon into some almond milk or water and wait at least 20 minutes for them to soften. You can eat these 3 parts separately or mix them into a small bowl of unsweetened yogurt. Some people even like to add a few banana slices or a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and relaxation. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Eat this mix about 45 to 60 minutes before sleep. Ideally, do it without distractions. No phone screens, no rushing, just you, your breath, and the awareness that you are doing something powerful for your body. I often suggest pairing this moment with a cup of chamomile tea or warm lemon water, not because it adds more nutrients, but because it signals your nervous system that it's time to let go of stress. You don't have to do this every single night, but doing it most nights, especially when your eyes feel tired, uncomfortable, or foggy, can make a visible difference. Some of my patients swap ingredients around. Sometimes they use a medjool date instead of prunes, or use a kiwi instead of a banana for extra vitamin C and hydration. That's perfectly fine. What matters is the rhythm, the intention, and giving your body the tools it needs to support you through the night. You aren't just eating. You are sending signals. You are letting your body know that it's safe, you can recover now. And when you wake up with clearer vision, less ache, and eyes that feel comfortable, you will feel the difference. It doesn't require expensive supplements. It doesn't need a doctor's prescription. Just a few small bites taken with care. That is the ritual, and your body will thank you for it. Sometimes we forget that the most powerful healing doesn't come from a pill. It comes from consistency, from intention, and from the quiet choices we make every day. What you eat before bed might seem small, but to your body and your eyes, it means everything. A few prunes, some pistachios, a spoonful of chia seeds. Each one plays a role. Each one supports the others. This isn't a medical treatment plan. It's a signal, a gentle and steady rhythm saying, I am still taking care of myself. And that is so important, because getting older doesn't mean losing control. It means learning to support your body in smarter, kinder ways. You aren't broken. Your body hasn't given up on you. Sometimes it just needs a little help and a little patience. If you've watched until the very end, I want to thank you. Thank you for taking the time to care about your health. Thank you for being here for yourself and your future. If this video gave you something useful, I'd be so grateful if you gave it a like. Feel free to share it with someone who might need a gentle reminder that healing is still possible. Leave a comment and let me know how your eyes have been feeling lately. I'd love to hear your story. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that button. I share natural, practical ways to support your health every week. Until next time, I am Dr. Sterling, wishing you peaceful nights, sharp mornings, and eyes that continue to serve you best in every day of your life.